here describe the okay. Now here in this para, from the next para, here explain the Tut family. Okay, so that's why here the name is come, that is the Amenhotep. ठीक है, Amenhotep is the Tut father or grandfather. क्लियर, टट का फादर और उसके जो ग्रैंडफादर हैं उनके बारे में अब आगे की स्टोरी चलेगी, यानी कि टट की जो डेथ हुई है, जो उसकी मिस्ट्री है, उसके पीछे क्या रीजन है, क्या कंक्लूजन निकला है, उसको यहाँ से जो इस चैप्टर का ये नेक्स्ट टर्निंग पॉइंट है. ओके, सो हियर किंग टट डिमिट्स was a big event. Okay, event by royal standard. He was the last of his family line. Who? Tut. Means the king Tut death was a big event in history. Clear? He was the last of his family line. Means he was, the Tut was the last member, not a last member, but last king. Clear? And his final sound of death of a dynasty, and his the particular of his death, they wanted to know what happened later are not clear. It's totally unclear. So here on the next para, Amenhotep third, Amenhotep third, Tut father or grandfather, clear, was a powerful pharaoh. Pharaoh is the pharaoh रूलर, इजिप्टियन रूलर. ओके, जैसे राजा होते हैं ना, जैसे हम लोगों ने मुगल सल्तनत और मौर्य वंश, इस तरह के जैसे हमने राजाओं के बारे में पढ़ा ना, सेम एज लाइक ए pharaoh इज आल्सो द डायनेस्टी ऑफ द इन इजिप्टियन एम्पायर. ओके, who ruled almost 4 decades. 4 decades means how many years?
10 years.
Tell me. Calculate करो.
400.
In 1 decade.
Ma'am, 40
In
years.
1 decade, how many?
10 years.
In 1 decade, how many years?
10 years.
Yes.
10
What
years.
4 decades means 40 years.
40 years.
Yes. Okay. At the height of the 18th dynasty, golden age. Clear? Matlab, they are the powerful pharaoh and he ruled for almost 4 decades. His son Amenhotep fourth. Okay, now here Amenhotep third is the Tut father or grandfather. Now next is the Amenhotep fourth. Okay, succeeded him and initiated one of the strangest period in the history of Egypt, ancient Egypt. पुराने इजिप्ट की बात की जा रही है. Amenhotep succeeded him मतलब नेक्स्ट जो वंश को आगे चला रहा है उसको. He started one of the stranger period. Who? Tut started the stranger period in the history of ancient Egypt. Okay, here he made his people worship. Now here the new pharaoh promoted the worship of the Aten. Okay, means that person, that fourth Amenhotep, he made his people to worship Aten. Okay, underline this word Aten, A-T-E-N, Aten means the sun god. Okay, Aten means the sun god. मतलब सूरज, सन को गॉड माना. And he changed his own name, own name. Who? Amenhotep IV. Clear? That changed his own name, and what then his own name to Akhenaten. 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 It means servant of the Aten. Means servant of the sun god. Clear? So underline this. You all underline this word. Anton means the sun god, and Akhenaten means the servant of the Anton. Means the servant of the sun god. Clear? Then he moved the religious capital from the old city. Clear? Moved the religious capital. Means अब now he convert his mind in the worship. Clear? पूजा की तरफ उसने अपना mind convert किया, and then he moved the religious capital from the old city of Thebes. Clear? Old city of Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten. Means now change the religious capital from the old city of Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten, known now as Amarna. उसको क्या नाम दिया गया? उस religious capital city को क्या नाम दिया गया?
अमरना।
Yes.
अमरनाथ।
क्या बात है, सिर्फ वंशिका पढ़ रही है, बाकियों के क्या आंसर नहीं देने आता है? हाँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Clear? So here Amarna is the name of that religious capital. Clear? He further shocked the country by attacking Amun. Okay. Then god of land. Okay. So far had been Amun, but Akhenaten smashed all the images of Amun and his means जो वहां पर already God जिसको माना जाता था before Anton, that was Amun. Okay, and Amun is a god of the land. Clear? Anton is the god of sun. Clear? And Amun is the god of land. Clear? तो अब जो है ये Amenhotep ने जो है Amenu जो गॉड था उनको हटाकर वहां पर किस गॉड को, किस वर्शिप को शुरू किया? एंटन की वर्शिप को, यानी सन की वर्शिप को स्टार्ट कर दिया। क्लियर? और ये एक ड्रास्टिक चेंज था इन एंसेंट इजिप्ट एम्पायर में। ओके, क्लियर? नाउ it must have been a horrific time, said Ray Johnson. Okay, who said this? Horrific time. Who said this?
Ray Johnson.
Johnson. Who was he? He was the director of the University of Chicago Research Center in Luxor. Clear?
Yes.
Ray Johnson, who was he? He was the
University.
Yes.
Director
Tell me.
of the University of Chicago
Research Center in Luxor. Okay.
Research.
The site of ancient Thebes. Clear? Here the family had ruled the centuries, was coming to an end, and then Akhenaten went a little wacky. Okay. Here this time जो फैमिली रूल कर रही थी had ruled for centuries, जो सेंचुरी से रूल कर रही आ रही थी, was coming to an end. अब ये उसका क्या था? अंत था. And then Accanton went to a little Becky. Okay? Clear? Clear up to here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, listen to everyone. देखो बेटा, जब तक आप खुद इसको सेल्फ रीड नहीं ना करोगे, मैं तो आप लोगों को एक एक वर्ड समझा रही हूँ, एक एक वर्ड को उठाकर बता रही हूँ, लेकिन इसके लिए आप लोगों को भी इसको रीड करना पड़ेगा. ये नहीं है कि बस मैम ने बता दिया, एक ओवरव्यू हम जो है स्टोरी समझ में आ रही है. It never increase your vocabulary power. Then you read daily one page. बहुत good you have read one daily in any book or in any magazine or in any newspaper. It increase your knowledge. It increase your power of knowledge. It increase your vocabulary. And it refresh your mind also. All these things. Okay? Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I give you 5 minutes to everyone. You all read. Okay? From जहां से मैंने पढ़ाया था आज, वहां से ही आप
हरी अप बेटे.
yes.
मैम स्टार्ट, दे विल कनेक्ट.
Okay, sir. सर मैंने इनको रीड करने के लिए बोला है. After 5 minutes I will
Okay.
ask some
Fine.
questions to.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, read everyone.
And +1 students, kindly check the schedule again. I have scheduled your class at 6 p.m. every day. I will take your 2 classes. Okay? अरुषि डरना नहीं है, फिजिक्स पढ़नी है. ओके?
Give response.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड बच्चों. अनमोल गुलेरिया तो मुझे लगता है सो गया है.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. देखो बेटा, we are also sitting with you since morning, and we are continuing. I am continuously in front of TV screen and recording your classes and uploading on YouTube. So you should work hard also.
Yes. And Shivansh, Ruchika. Rishika, Arushi. पढ़ लिया?
Reading.
Now reading. Okay. Okay. Now, here, firstly, Vanshika, you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Explain me the second para from page number 25. The archaeologist
ma'am.
has been. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
Ma'am, in this para
and
now the
explain.
whole factor had found the mummy of Tom's, and now he cut the bandage in that is on the Tut's body, and he
Yeah.
found that Tut's body was covered with very precious pure gold bracelets and golden things. So in this, he concerned that in royal time, in Tut's time, his family was very rich and fabulous wealthy, and they thought
Okay.
that Tut's family thought that they can took their gold and their all wealth with them in another country.
Okay.
And yes, ma'am. And
Okay.
then
Then
Howard
yes.
Carter removed the gold and all the things that was on the Tut's body, and
Mhm.
do the CT scan of Tut's body.
Okay. Okay. Now next, Rishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you explain me the next para. Then after.
Ma'am, after that, archaeology has changed the interpreting decades, focusing less on treasures. It only used more functional tools, including medical technology. In 1968, more than 40 years after Charter's discovery, anatomy professor X-ray his body again and revealed a startling fact. Beneath
Yeah.
the resin, his chest, his breastbone, and the front ribs are missing.
Okay. So what do you understand in this para?
In this para, in 1968, after the 40 years of charter discovering, the professor X-ray his mummy, and
What
in
he
which he found
discovered? Rishika, just wait, Vita. What he discovered?
he discovered that his front ribs are missing, his breastbone is also missing.
Yeah. Whose bones missing or front ribs are missing?
Tut's bones are missing.
Tut's mummy. Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay. And the archaeologist give attention to which thing more?
Yes, ma'am.
The archaeologist Carter give much more attention to which thing?
Intriguing mysteries of his death.
Yes. Yes. The mysteries of Tut
His
death. Okay. Okay. Now Arushi. Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can explain the next para also. Next from Rishika. Next para.
He was the last ruler in his family. In his
No, not dear. Not from there. From today, diagnosed imaging can be done.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Diagnostic image can be done with CT scan or computed tomography, by which hundreds of X-rays in cross-section put together like slices of paper to create three-dimensional virtual body.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this CT scan can more reveal the truth of death's dying than X-ray.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yes.
CT scan give correct image how he died in CT scan.
Hmm.
X-ray.
Okay. Very good.
There was two questions in
After CT scan, there was two biggest question arise in the Carter mind, and that questions was
how he died and how old was he.
That questions were how did he die and how old was he at the time of his death. Very good. Shabash. Good, Vanshika, Arushi and Rishika. And next one. And where are other students? बाकी students कहाँ गए? गायब हो गए? Very good. Now Anmol. Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol. Yes, you explain the next.
Ma'am, I have notebook, ma'am.
अच्छा मैं रीड कर देती हूँ, आप सुनो.
Yes, ma'am.
Then explain. King Tut, वैसे स्क्रीन शेयर हो जाएगी, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही. Anyway, King Tut Demise was a big event, even by royal standards. He was the last of his family line, and his funeral was the death rattle of a dynasty. But the particulars of his passing away and its aftermath are unclear. Yes. Yes, Anmol, you listen?
Yes, ma'am. The Tuts was the only left in his.
Yes.
He is only in. He is only of his family, ma'am.
He was the only last
One in his family. Last is family.
line of his family. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
And the dynasty.
Hmm.
Ma'am, and the dynasty rattles, ma'am.
Yes. Then. Okay. Anyway, no problem. Work hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Again I say, देखो अभी बच्चे क्लास छोड़कर चले गए, ये तो गलत बात है ना. ऐसा नहीं करना है बेटा. प्रॉब्लम से भागते नहीं है, उनको फेस करते हैं, उनसे लड़ते हैं. अभी मुझे पता है वो क्यों चले गए, क्योंकि मैम पूछेंगी. ये गलत बात होती है. ठीक है, जब तक आप चलते हैं तभी आप गिरते हैं. चलोगे नहीं तो गिरोगे कहां से, और गिरकर फिर चलना ही लाइफ है. समझे? अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
गुड. अब मैं आप सिर्फ 3 बच्चे रह गए मेरे पास, वंशिका, ऋषिका और अनमोल. आरुषि भी चली गई. एनीवे, नो प्रॉब्लम. क्लास भी ओवर हो रही है, तो आप सबने इस चैप्टर को फिर से रीड करना है अच्छे से, जहां तक रीड करवाया है, और कल फिर